Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Shabby Chic meets Blush and Gold, a rose pattern dream home. Let me paint you a picture of cozy, romantic shabby chic with a modern twist: soft blush pink, creamy neutrals, and tarnished gilded gold accents. Add in a delicate rose pattern on the wallpaper, and you've got a home that feels like a vintage find, not a showroom. The trick is balancing those pretty pinks and golds with plenty of warm cream walls so nothing feels overwhelming. We're keeping things casual and lived in, like you just arranged some fresh peonies on a flea market table. Ready to walk through? From the front porch to the bath, here's how every room gets that gentle, rosy glow. Grab a cup of tea, friend, let's go. Keep the house exterior crisp white, with powder blue shutters or a front door in that soft, dusty blue. A whitewashed wooden bench on the porch holds two blush pink cushions for a welcoming pop of color. Hang a small wreath of pale pink dried roses on the door, and add white flower boxes under the windows. Fill those boxes with white hydrangeas and trailing ivy for that cottage feel. The powder blue acts like a gentle sky accent against the white, never shouting. Overall, your facade whispers, "Come relax," before anyone even steps inside. Use the rose-patterned wallpaper on one focal wall, blush pink and cream roses with tarnished antique gold leaf accents. The other walls stay warm cream so the space feels airy, not busy. A distressed white console table sits against the wallpapered area, topped with a gilded gold mirror. Add a small crystal vase with a single blush peony next to a bowl for keys. Underfoot, a faded Persian rug in muted pinks and creams ties the look together. A wicker basket for shoes and a wrought iron coat rack keep things practical and charming. Put that gorgeous rose wallpaper on the fireplace wall only, leaving the other 3 walls warm cream. A slip-covered linen sofa in pale blush pink becomes the room's cozy star, paired with a tarnished gold coffee table. Toss on velvet throw pillows with subtle gold thread or tiny rose motifs. A worn jute rug adds texture, while mismatched vintage armchairs in cream and soft gold sit by the window. Hang a large antique-style gilded mirror above the sofa to bounce light around. Stack old books and a fresh rose on the coffee table, perfectly imperfect. Make the wall behind your bed the rose pattern focal point, and keep the rest warm cream for a restful feel. Choose a wrought iron or whitewashed wood bed frame with cream sheets and a blush pink duvet. Add lots of throw pillows in different shades of pink and gold for that plush, romantic look. On vintage nightstands, place small gilded gold lamps with cream shades and tiny vases of dried roses. A cozy cream armchair in the corner holds a chunky knit blanket in pale pink. Sheer floor-length cream curtains with a subtle gold thread filter sunlight beautifully. Use the rose wallpaper on the largest wall, painting the remaining walls warm cream for balance. A distressed white farmhouse table sits surrounded by mismatched vintage chairs. Some cream, some blush, maybe one with gold leaf. Hang a gilded gold chandelier with candle-style bulbs low over the table. Run a cream linen runner across the table, then add blush napkins, gilded gold flatware, and a vase of roses. A vintage sideboard in chippy cream paint holds extra dishes and a gold-framed mirror above it. Lean a few rose-patterned plates casually against the wall for extra charm. Warm cream walls keep the kitchen open and bright, a perfect neutral backdrop. Paint your cabinets in soft white or pale blush, and add open shelving made of reclaimed wood. Display cream dishes, gold-rimmed glassware, and a few vintage rose-patterned teacups on those shelves. Choose butcher block or honed marble countertops, and splurge on a gilded gold faucet for a fun luxe touch. Hang a couple of small framed rose prints on the cream walls, and set a bowl of fresh blush apples on the island. The result is a romantic, airy kitchen where even washing dishes feels pretty. Keep the bathroom serene with warm cream walls and a vanity painted in soft blush pink or distressed white. Swap basic hardware for gilded gold drawer pulls and faucet fixtures for instant glamour. Hang a large antique gold-framed mirror above the sink to reflect the warm cream tones. Use fluffy cream towels, a blush pink bath mat, and a sheer shower curtain with subtle gold thread or tiny roses. Add a small wooden stool or wire basket holding rolled towels and a dried rose sachet. Finish with a single vase of fresh pink roses on the counter, because your bathroom deserves romance too.